Good morning, Van Buren County. A couple of things I want to cover with you today. One is starting off with our trash bins and boxes that we have placed at all the areas in the county. Let me call those out to you. We have at Rocky River, Bone Cave, Sparkmantown, Cumminsville, Fauquier Falls, Mooneyham. We also have in Piney, out on Pine Grove Road. We have boxes here in Spencer as well. We would like to ask you on the trash, if you could, please be sure to put your trash in the container. If you have any construction materials whatsoever, please don't dump those at that. We've had that to happen. We have an open top container for your use here in Spencer, and that's the only location we have that. To be able to put those construction materials or anything other than household garbage. I just ask a favor, if you could, be sure to do that. A couple of things too on our wellness checks. As I've spoken in past Facebook Live presentations, we are currently doing wellness checks for our senior citizens, but we have decided to expand that to all citizens in the county. We've compiled a list and phone numbers. We will be calling those phone numbers. If you do not have a household phone, landline, please let us know if you want to be contacted, and we will do that. You could call at 946-1050, I'm sorry, not 1050, 946-3590. We are going to be putting together level 1 through 4, level 1 being the least needy, level 4 being the most. And that is what we want to concentrate on. Yesterday, we were able to deliver food and items to people, to 13 different households. We're delivering to households again today. And that's what we're here for. During this crisis, we want to do everything we can for our citizens in the county. And for any need that you have, please let us know. Again, though, we will be using our list, and that level 4 being the most needy. The health department, we've had questions about how many tests we've got, how many's been tested. It's good questions, but I want to go ahead and address that as well. I'm unsure of how many tests we have here. That's a health department issue. How many has been tested? That's a health department issue as well. That is run by the state of Tennessee Department of Health. They're doing a great job there. That number is 946-2438. We appreciate you to give them a call, and any questions that you have concerning this COVID-19 emergency, please give them a call anytime. Also, a little bit later on here in just a few minutes, I will give you some other state numbers that you can call till 10 o'clock at night. We are currently mowing our county sites. We have 2 people that are out doing that, and I encourage them to do the social distancing as well as you. This is one of the ways that we can beat this. Again, I want to reiterate as well about the gatherings of 10 or more people, and we would appreciate it if you could just hold that to 10 or less as much as possible. Also, too, and this is on the website, the Tennessee Department of Health's website, if you have a fever, cough, or shortness of breath, please call the health department at 946-2438. That number for a statewide is 1-833-556-2476 or 877-857-2945. And again, that's from 10 o'clock in the morning till 10 at night that you can call. Our testing here in Van Buren County at the Van Buren County Health Department is Monday through Friday, 1:30 to 3:30. I would advise you to please call ahead to them to let them know and let them ask you a few questions on that, whether or not you need to come up. If not, of course, if you can't make that time, please contact your medical provider. A couple of things I want to talk about as well as the people that are working hard in Van Buren County to keep this from spreading to our county. As of right now, we do not have any confirmed cases in Van Buren County. I want that to be clear. Also, with that, I want everybody to be patient and vigilant. And I want to thank first, in no certain order, because all people that are working hard to ensure that you stay safe, you stay fed, and I can't put it in any order, and I'm not going to attempt, because everybody's doing a great job. I want to thank Cheryl Cole and the teachers in our education department here that are going out and making sure our kids are fed. I want to also thank my staff here in the office, and they're working hard every day. Sometimes we've been really working 7 days a week for the last couple of weeks, and I want to thank them. They're working so hard. I want to thank our EMA and public safety staff, and again, to name names, we're going to be here for quite a while, but you'll see them, and they're out there, and I am so grateful to them, and I want you to be as well. We have people that are making the deliveries that started out yesterday. I want to thank them for what they're doing. This also, too, if you have any questions, you can go ahead and send those in via Facebook, and we've got that being monitored right now, and we'll ask any question or try to answer any questions that you have. Hopefully by sometime today, we'll have this on YouTube. I also had a question about some people that do not have Facebook. Well, those people that do not have Facebook, share this with them, this information that I'm giving you. We are allowed so many pages on our website. And we've added one page. A gentleman called in wanting that added to the website because he doesn't have Facebook. I'm like him. I don't have Facebook at home or anything. We do have the county Facebook, and that's as far as I get. But anytime that you have any questions, we will be taking the 946-3590 number shortly in the next couple of days. We'll be forwarding that to certain phone numbers 7 days a week. If you have a question or a need, that way we can meet your need immediately. Again, we're working very hard to keep that out of our county. I'm not saying that it will not be in our county. Don't get me wrong. I don't want to give you any false hope of anything of that nature. But I do ask you to be patient and vigilant during this time. We are Van Buren County, and we are very strong. And I expect my staff to be fully cooperative, and I know they will because they are dedicated more than you know. And now, if there's any questions, I'll take those.
Mr. Mayor, I do have one question. Can you expand a little bit on the park and their closings and how it's going to affect Van Buren County?
That's a good question, and the question was, if you didn't hear it clearly, was about the closure of Falkirk Falls, and there will be no camping or anybody staying overnight at Falkirk Falls beginning tomorrow, Friday, at 4:30. The trails, there are some trails that are open. Some fishing is open, and the best thing I know to do is call 423-881-5298. That is the Falkirk Falls headquarters number, and for any further information on that. And they will guide you at that time. It's one of those things where, as far as the effect of closing that as well, we look at that as, Falkirk Falls is a good revenue source for Van Buren County in many ways, not only just for the tax dollars that we do get out of that, of the people going there and enjoying themselves, that it also is for our merchants around in the area. But the government is not only on the federal level, but on the state level is working hard to ensure that not only county revenues are not affected. And our governor has really helped us with that. And I want to thank him for that. And I want to thank our federal government for passing legislation, and hopefully all that will be settled today. Will be passed and help the small business owners as well, and the large business owners as well, and you as an individual. I think that's very important. And again, I can't stress much more about the social distancing and the cooperation we ask you in that. And I know it's an inconvenience not to be able to go in and sit down in a restaurant and have a nice meal. My wife and I enjoy that as well. But till this is over, be patient, be vigilant. And again, we are Van Buren County. All right, I'm going to ask if there's any other questions. We will give more updates as needed. things happen not in days, not in weeks. In this, sometimes, most of the time, they're happening in hours, and it's hard for us to keep up. But we're trying our best. And again, I can't thank the education director of schools enough. I can't thank EMA, 911, my EMS staff, doing a wonderful job. My public safety director, assistant public safety director, in all of what they're doing, and my staff, office staff, is working every day. I have one girl that is making calls, making a list of people that need to be called and what they need. And I told her the other day, she's going to have to watch, she's going to end up with a creek in her neck. And she has a phone here like this, and she's on the computer entering those names and the needs of those people. And we're going to get out and we're going to get it taken care of. I promise you that. I want to thank you, Van Buren County, for your cooperation. Anytime you need us, call us at 946-3590, or you can call my office directly at 946-2314. Thank you, and God bless.